The Burj Khalifa, an iconic fixture of the Dubai skyline, stands tall as the world's tallest building at a staggering height of 828 meters. Its construction is not just a feat of engineering but a testament to human ambition and innovation. Let's explore the remarkable journey that led to the creation of this architectural marvel. 1. The foundation. Construction of the Burj Khalifa began with a monumental challenge: creating a foundation strong enough to support a structure of unprecedented height. Situated on desert sands, engineers devised a solution: a massive concrete mat foundation, 3.7 meters, 12 feet, thick. This foundation was reinforced with an astounding 192 board piles, each plunging 50 meters, 164 feet, deep into the ground. This rock-solid base provided the stability necessary for the skyscraper to rise confidently into the sky. 2. A Y-shaped triumph. The distinctive Y-shaped design of the Burj Khalifa is more than just architectural flair. It serves a critical purpose in maintaining the tower's stability. The three wings of the Y-shape act as buttresses, strategically reducing the impact of wind forces that could otherwise exert tremendous pressure on such a towering structure. As the tower ascends, these wings gradually step back in a spiral formation, not only enhancing stability but also creating an elegant visual impression against the Dubai skyline. 3. Reaching for the sky. Building the Burj Khalifa was a monumental endeavor that required the dedication of over 12,000 workers representing 100 nationalities. Spanning an estimated 22 million man-hours, the construction utilized 3 specially designed cranes capable of lifting materials to dizzying heights, including up to the 156th floor. Overcoming logistical challenges, such as pumping concrete to record-breaking heights of 606 meters, 1,988 feet, showcased the project's innovative spirit and engineering prowess. 4. Steel strength. At the core of the Burj Khalifa lies a network of 39,000 tons of steel rebar. This intricate steel skeleton provided the structural integrity necessary to support the immense weight of the building and withstand external forces, including powerful winds that buffet the tower at its extreme altitude. 5. Dressing the giant. The Burj Khalifa's exterior is both functional and impressive, made of thousands of panels with aluminum and glass. Clad in over 103,000 square meters of reflective glass, it moderates temperatures inside while offering breathtaking views of Dubai and the Arabian Gulf. 6. Reaching the top. After 6 years of construction involving thousands of workers and engineers, the Burj Khalifa was officially opened on January 4, 2010. Standing at a staggering 828 meters, 2,717 feet. It surpassed all expectations and became an iconic symbol of Dubai's rapid growth and ambition on the global stage. The topmost 163 floors of this architectural wonder host a diverse array of uses. These include exclusive residences, corporate offices, the renowned Atmosphere restaurant, the highest in the world, and the public observation deck at the top, Burj Khalifa. Vertical transportation. Vertical transportation in a skyscraper of this magnitude is another engineering marvel. The Burj Khalifa boasts one of the fastest double-deck elevators in the world, capable of traveling at speeds of up to 10 meters per second. Legacy. Beyond its record-breaking height, the Burj Khalifa embodies sustainable design principles with its efficient use of resources, including water and energy. Its presence has transformed the skyline of Dubai and continues to attract millions of visitors each year, drawn by its sheer beauty and architectural grandeur. In conclusion, the Burj Khalifa isn't merely a structure but a testament to collective achievement. It exemplifies dedication, innovation, and pursuit of engineering excellence, showcasing how lofty ambitions can materialize through vision and determination. If you liked our video, please subscribe to our channel for more. Thank you.